Hello everyone and welcome to Unit E5 in Baywatch condominiums on Pensacola Beach. This unit sits in one of only two buildings of Baywatch that actually sit on the water, and this unit does provide unobstructed views of the Santa Rosa Sound from their balcony. The water clarity is absolutely shining today and it is beautiful. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit spanning over 760 square feet with a great floor plan. Baywatch does also offer common areas with a grill, fire pit, a pier for fishing, as well as a pool. And this unit does have a wonderful patio that is covered, as you can see. And I just noticed these adorable little ducks, and I thought I would show you the beach while I'm at it. Inside does feature 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms and 760 square feet. You do have an open concept living area, higher ceilings in here, as well as crown molding. You've got a beautiful kitchen with a breakfast bar for plenty of seating. It is a bit of a wider breakfast bar as well. Stainless steel appliances, as well as a wine refrigerator. You do have a window overlooking outside, so a lot of natural light is flowing through here. And I will spin you around here so you can see the living room and the opening to the balcony. I'll take you into the primary bedroom and bathroom first. This unit does offer views of the sound, so you see the sunset and the sunrise from here. Absolutely stunning. You could even see them right from your bedroom. So you've got a nice sized room, plenty of room for furniture. Do have a closet with the bifold doors there, as well as direct balcony access from your bedroom. Coming into the ensuite bathroom, do have a single vanity in here. And this unit does have tile throughout, except for in the bedrooms for added coziness. Do have vanity lighting, crown molding in the bathroom as well. And then in here you do have a very spacious tub shower combo. A lot of condo bathrooms can feel a little cramped, and I would say that is not the case here. The 2 bedrooms are split from each other. And coming into the hallway with the 2nd bedroom, you do have your laundry right through these doors here. So you do have in-unit laundry. And this bathroom in this hallway does have 2 access points from the hallway for guest use or from this bedroom to make it an ensuite bedroom and bathroom. So carpet in this bedroom as well. Got a nice ceiling fan, crown molding again, and bright windows to let in so much light, and your closet right there through the bifold doors. Here in the 2nd full bathroom, it is tiled. Do have a single vanity, and one thing I love about this unit is the sink. It is so fun and so coastal and just different. You do have vanity lighting as well as an added mirror. And you do have a tub shower combo in this bathroom as well. To the entryway, do have a storage closet here. Could be a coat closet or for added storage. And I want to show you out front because you do have this beautiful view of the front of the building, which does have the pier to cross over. I'm standing downstairs here at the parking area, and I just wanted to show you guys that this unit does come with a shed for storage. There is also a storage closet upstairs next to the unit outside. And then you do have 2 assigned covered parking spots. So you can park down here, and the unit is up on the 3rd floor. And I also wanted to show you a bit more of the amenities. So if you did want to come downstairs and use the beach, you are just steps away. As you can see, someone is getting ready to launch their kayak. So you've got the bay or the sound to use that. Absolutely stunning, serene coastal views. This is a stunning unit being sold fully furnished. It would be great as a short-term rental or a second home. You just cannot beat these stunning unobstructed views of the Santa Rosa Sound. Once again, guys, this is Unit E5 at Baywatch Condominiums, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 760 square feet of waterfront living. Come check this one out.